Hey loves, welcome back. As soon as I started recording, it's just a downpour today, so excuse the background noise. I don't know, enjoy the nature, I guess, with me. But I just wanted to kind of start this video off and letting you know what we're doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like the title says, this is a no spend DIY, Dollar Tree DIY. And what that means is basically we're just taking our existing Dollar Tree fall decor that we've had from past seasons and we've accumulated and don't know what to do with because we want a new look. But rather than go buy new decor at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, whatever, you're going to use what you have. You're going to reshop your home and you're going to redo and give it a updo. So that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I got my setup. Today I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through how to revamp your old Dollar Tree fall decor that you may have lying around. And you know, every season you kind of don't want to do the same thing every season, or at least I don't. So I want to kind of switch it up, but I really don't want to spend money. Like, I've gone to Hobby Lobby, I've gone to Michael's, gone to all of these places that are selling this beautiful fall decor, but it would be really wasteful for me to go ahead and go purchase some new fall decor when I have stuff that I have sitting around not doing anything. So what I decided to do was kind of just spruce up what I have already. And mind you, these are just the little foam pumpkins that I've picked up from Dollar Tree last season or the season before. And like I said, I want to kind of just give it a new look. I don't want to stick with the original or traditional oranges and greens this year. I want to incorporate kind of a fall farmhouse or rustic glam kind of fall decor this year. So what I'm going to do is take this existing pumpkin that I already have. Mind you, this is a no spend DIY. This is just reshopping your home for materials that you already have on hand, and you're just, you know, sprucing it up and making it look prettier and newer. So I'm going to take this green and yellowish looking pumpkin that has this floral, and we're going to transform it into something else. So I'm going to show you what I've previously done. And this is literally like a 5-minute DIY. So what I did was I took this pumpkin here, and I think it was orange. I know I had a few orange ones. Great, it decides to rain while I'm trying to film, so excuse that noise in the background, or at least enjoy the sounds of nature while we go through this video. So like I was saying, I took this orange pumpkin that I purchased from the Dollar Tree a while back, and then I just kind of painted it. I used the crab, or well, no, I have two different kinds, but I used the white paint, a white acrylic craft paint that I purchased from Hobby Lobby or Walmart at one point. And oh, it's getting louder. This is amazing. Okay, yeah, that's September weather for you here in Georgia. Anyway, so I took the craft paint, I painted it over, and then I had like this whole vase of flowers that I had picked up from one of Michael's grab bags a while back. And I decided to use that floral arrangement within this pumpkin decor, or whatever you want to call it. So really simple. I wanted it to kind of have like a rustic feel, so I kind of left it like roughed around the edges and stuff like that. So I'm hoping that this video comes out okay, and that I don't have to redo it, because as you can hear and probably see, the rain is getting louder and louder and heavier and heavier. So anyway, I'm going to walk you through this. so it's really simple. All you have to do is choose the color that you want. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and paint this one gray. And then I'm going to show you, I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like afterwards. I really don't have to show you how to paint this. I'm pretty sure you guys can figure that out. But I'm going to go ahead and paint this, and I'll come back and show you the setup of how it looks once it's all dried and set up and everything. So yeah, stay tuned. So here is the end result of what it looks like. I'm going to place this on the ottoman in my living room, in the center of my living room. I just wanted to also let you guys know, this is a quick tidbit. If you guys want to get that feel of like the new pumpkins that are coming out with the glitter, all you have to do is, once it's painted, put some of this Mod Podge on it, and then you just sprinkle your glitter on it, and it'll kind of give it a spruced up look, and it get that glitter effect. I'm not sure if that's what I want to do, or if I should leave it like this. I would appreciate if you guys leave it in the comments if you think I should go ahead and put the glitter on it, or if I should leave it like this. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once it's all set up in my living room on top of the ottoman. Okay, so this is the finished result. This is what it looks like when it's on top of the ottoman. I am thinking about getting like a gray or cream colored throw to kind of place under the tray. And if I didn't mention before, the tray, I previously purchased that at Michael's. This was a while back. I did a haul in one of my old videos. I'll see if I leave a link to that, where that haul was made. And there was my dog running around, walking around. But yeah, this is what it is. Simple. You can add little candles if you want to. I prefer not to, because I have little 5-year-olds running around. So I just, and this thing kind of gets moved around a lot because we use this as extra seating. So that's just a little glimpse of what it looks like. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys think I should add the glitter to it or not. But this is what it looks like, and slowly but surely our living room is coming together. There's our filming equipment. But yeah, so stay tuned, because I look forward to sharing with you guys our actual transformation of this living room. And I'm gonna have a updated kitchen tour for you guys, and working on the fall decor for the kitchen. So yeah, stay tuned.